Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Litecoin. Looking across the market, we are seeing a massive green day across the board. Bitcoin is showing what it's capable of. If you guys watch my other videos, I did cover all of that already. So let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Litecoin. See what's happening with the price of Litecoin and where are we going in the immediate short term. If you like these kind of videos, like the video, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Litecoin right now, it is currently trading at $81.58. It's up 13% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. And don't worry about being down about 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative, because Bitcoin is on a roll right now, outperforming the entire markets right now. And obviously the BTC index is increasing, which is causing altcoins to lag behind in the BTC comparative, but in USD comparative, we are rolling in terms of altcoin growth as well. Now, looking at the price of Litecoin right now, it is currently trading at $81.55. Market cap is approaching that $6 billion mark again, and look at the 24-hour trading volume, currently sitting at $1.35 billion. So that just shows that the buying pressure is there for itself for Litecoin right now. So let's get right into the analysis and see what's happening and what are some next price targets we could be looking at in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price of Litecoin right now, you guys can see obviously over the last 2 to 3 days, we did see a massive scare coming in for the price of USDC, seeing a deep peg happen, which caused a lot of panic across the board. But we did see some positive news come out where circles came out and said they will be covering that loss with their corporate funds, which did have a positive impact on the entire space. And some people arbitraged that USDC move and made a quick 15%, which was not bad at all. But if we're looking at the price of Litecoin right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at $65.12. I'm sorry, it did see a low of $65.12 for this year. You guys can see after that dip really did occur, and you can see we did manage to get picked up very quickly. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see the price of Litecoin went up 23% since then. So let's say you picked it up from there, you can definitely see that that was quite an impressive move that Litecoin has made for itself. And you guys know Litecoin halving is approaching right near us, 143 days away, and a lot of people underestimate that. And what a lot of people underestimate is that when Bitcoin is going down, no matter what the overall momentum a certain altcoin seeing, that altcoin is going to be impacted. And when the USDC news came out and obviously Bitcoin did go towards the downside, I started seeing comments flooding in. Oh, LTC is dipping, LTC is not going anywhere, LTC is this, LTC is that. You guys know what the FUD comments are, and I'm pretty sure those guys are nowhere to be seen around this time now. And these are the people that don't have patience. If you're going to come into the markets with absolutely zero patience, guess what? You're not going to be making any gains. Obviously our brain tends to think you want to be making instant gains, but unfortunately I'll be there to tell you that's not the case. It's going to be a slow gradual increase towards the upside. These bull cycles are long. Just because we're in a bull cycle does not mean we're not going to see sell-offs, corrections occur in the crypto space, because at the end of the day, nothing that goes up straight forever in one single line is sustainable. It needs to have some sort of a cool-off in order to continue its upwards trend. But we're seeing Litecoin have a massive impressive bounce towards the upside from that $65 range, but we're approaching some resistance once again. The same resistance which we were approaching before we did break out towards the upside. We're approaching that exact zone right now. But one thing I do want to point out is that the overall momentum for Bitcoin is insanely bullish, and the volume that's coming in Litecoin is really nice to be seeing. So we could potentially see a retest coming about here sooner rather than later, where Litecoin can get once again above this massive level of resistance at that $96 and get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We basically just touched that zone, never really managed managed to stay above here, but this time around, you know, if Bitcoin stays around these levels and BTC dominance index were to decrease, but Bitcoin stays around this level specifically, I do expect a lot of altcoins starting to hit new yearly highs. Yes, that's correct. So in order for us to have like more bullish momentum in altcoins in terms of seeing yearly highs, we do need to see Bitcoin stay around the current levels and the BTC dominance index to go down. But if both go down, like BTC dominance index and Bitcoin, then we would not see newer highs, in my personal opinion. But that is currently the scenario that's looking like for Litecoin. We are facing some resistance. If we break out of here, I am very convinced that we could be once again in a 3 digits Litecoin zone. So a lot of good things happening. Let me know now down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Litecoin going at the end of 2023. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.